is how you're going to master Pinterest this year. So I just created a brand new Pinterest account for one of my clients, and I'm going to get traffic to their website. Generally it takes about 6 months to start getting about 1,000 people visiting your website. So this is what I did. Step one. The first thing that you want to do is optimize the Pinterest profile. And what you do to do that is you first go into trends, and you go in, you pretend like you're creating an ad, and you go into the keyword area where the keywords are, and you look at the volume. So you want to match the trend with the volume so you can actually see what's trending and how many people are trending for that topic, how many people are searching for those topic. That's important to match those, because if you pick a keyword that has tons of volume but it's not trending, it's not what people are currently searching for right now, then it's going to be useless to you. And I bet you, I promise you, a lot of people out there watching this you probably have done that before, and then you're like, why are my pins not getting traction? It's because it's not trending right now. So you want to make sure that people are searching for it right now, trending, equal to volume. Then you're going to put those keywords magically inside of your profile. Even change the profile name if you can, add the keywords into the profile name. And then the boards, you're going to plan out your boards based off those keywords. And you want to, kind of watch this as you go and see what the traction is. Now, when I optimized, I instantly started getting views, even though I didn't have any pins up yet. So that's what you want to look for. Is it going to actually get your profile seen? Number two, then I went and I took my the first URL, and I created 6 pins, and today I'm going to schedule those. So then in my next video, I'm going to walk you through how to optimize your actual pin.